Hello all, my name is Nehal Shyal, lecturer EC Department Government Polytechnic for Girls, Surat. I will taught you the subject Digital Logic Design, the GTU code 3331104. For this subject, you can use this reference books that are listed here. First one, that is Digital Logic and Computer Design by Maurice Mano. Second one, that is Digital Principles and Applications by Malvino and Leach. Third one, that is Fundamental of Digital Circuits by Anand Kumar. If you like to do more numerical examples in digital logic design subjects, then you can refer this third number book by the Anand Kumar. Fourth one, that is Modern Digital Electronics by Jain RP. Fifth one, that is Digital Electronics by Kharate GK. So according to your requirement, you can refer this books. Let us start with the unit number 1, number systems and codes. First term that comes, that is digital, concerned with the interconnection among digital components and modules. Best digital system example is general purpose computers. Second term, that is logic design, that deals with the basic concept and tools used to design digital hardware consisting of logic circuits. Circuits to perform arithmetic operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So you have these two terms, digital and logic design. So difference between these two is that digital generally deals with the logic 0 and logic 1. It has only two states, while logic design that uses this digital signal to perform various logical and arithmetical operations. So let us first of all define digital signal. So digital signal have two basic states. First, static logic 1, it is also known as high or capital H indicated as capital H, or it is called on state. Second state, that is 0, it is also known as low denoted by capital R, or its state is off state. So digital value are in binary format. It has only two states, either 0 or either 1. So that is called the digital signals. If we take one practical example or one good example, that is electric switch. In your house, if you see your switchboard, it will have only two states, either on or off. So on, that means logic 1, and off, that means logic 0. So that is also example of binary numbers. Nowadays, these binary codes are widely used in every microprocessor, microelectronics, or other devices that use binary codes like cell phones, internet, rapid advances in medicine. In rapid advancement in the medicines, that is in the terms of automation, automated machines that are used in various medical operations, or machinery used in the medical field in the terms of research. So in all that things, binary codes are used in the machineries. Also nowadays, all of you have smartphones. So this smartphone phone has microprocessor that also use this binary codes. If you want to know about the more uses of these binary codes, you can Google it. Now digital systems and binary numbers. So digital computers that generally classify in the two terms. First one, that is general purpose, that we generally use in our laboratories or in our home. Other category, that is scientific computers, industrial and commercial applications. So according to the applications, computer are modified and used according to requirement. So in industry, if you visit any industry, so you will find computers in particular industry application modified. Second one, that is digital systems, so telephone switching exchange, digital camera, electronic calculators, PDS, digital TVs, all these are the example of digital systems. Next, that is discrete information processing systems. For this, manipulate discrete elements of information, for example 1, 2, 3 or any alphabets A, B, C. So this all, if we consider as a symbol, then in binary codes each symbol are represented as unique numbers. What is difference between analog and digital signal? So in the left figure, analog signal is shown. In the right figure, discrete signal is shown. So in analog signal, value of amplitude is available at any time, while in the discrete time, value of the amplitude is not available at any time, but it is available at particular time period. So in this manner, analog and digital signal are differ. Now if compare the analog and digital systems in the particular parameter, so starting from the first technology point of view, analog technology records waveforms as they are, while in the digital systems, first of all analog signal is captured, then it is converted into the digital signals. Uses of analog that can be used in various computing platforms under operating systems like Linux, Unix, various OS and Windows. Digital systems are used in computing and electronics devices. And signals. Analog signal is continued signals which transmit information on as response to change in physical phenomena, while digital signals are discrete time signals generated by the digital modulation. Representation. In analog, that uses continuous range of values to represent information, while in the digital, that uses discrete or discontinuous values to represent information. Next one, that is memory unit. So in the analog system it is not required, in digital system it is required. Now application, we can consider as a thermometer that uses analog system, while the PC is PDS that uses digital systems. Data transmission, not of high quality, but in the digital it requires high quality. So this data transmission, if we take one example, in YouTube sometimes you adjust the video quality, or while recording any video you adjust the video quality. So that all are the in the terms of data transmitted quality. Next parameter, that is storage capacity. So in the analog it is limited, while in the digital it is very high requirement. Next parameter, that is process. Process using op-amp which uses electronic circuit, while in the digital that uses microprocessor with the logic circuits. Response to noise, more likely to get affected, reducing accuracy. That means analog signals are very sensitive for the noise, while the digital signals are less sensitive to any noise. So accuracy is very high in the digital signal while transmitting any signal. If we receive analog and digital, so from this both, digital signal gives more accuracy. Next parameter, that is waves. So it is denoted by sine wave, while in the digital it is denoted by square wave. So this square wave we will see in the next slide. Example of analog signal, that is human voice in the air. So right now I am speaking, that is also one analog signal, while the digital signal, that is electronics device, generates the various digital signals. Now let us see the waveform of digital signal. So as you see in the figure, digital signal have only two states. One is high and second one, that is low. So if we see in the figure, here this logic, it is considered as a high or logic 1, while this is considered as a logic 0 or low signal. So another terms that are used with this 0 and 1, that is words false and true. False, that means logic 0, and true, that means logic 1. Low, that means 0, high, that means 1. Also word are used on and off. So on, that means logic 1, and off, that means logic 0. So binary number have only two state, 0 and 1. So further we will see in the next lecture. Thank you.